Ah, I wanted to put it on the wall right there, one of those nails, as a reminder. God. Alright, welcome back to Yo Mismo TV. Today we're gonna reseal this adapter, T56 housing into CDO1 transmission. What I'm doing now, it's taking out this old glue that somebody put on the wrong spot. Cleaning this, I need to add a bolt in here that is missing. Actually, this adapter is missing one bolt. The bell housing or the transmission housing was missing 2 bolts. Poor jobs. I don't really need to take a lot in here because this doesn't even sit anywhere. Like maybe it's one spot or not, but I'm taking it off so it will look better. I need to cut the transmission here in a little bit. All that lip in there is not good. It needs to be cut after that, so I'm cutting that as well. After that, I'm gonna let it sit down for a little bit. I gotta clean this stuff down there so I can go back and try to put this transmission without having to take out the engine. The goal is to put the transmission back without needing to take out the engine, to put it outside and then throw the whole thing in there. So it was really hard to take it off. Let's see how this is gonna do today, because it's pretty tight spot right now. So it looks like it is cracked right in there. This right here, maybe this looks like a crack. That's really bad. This one looks like it's a crack. That one right there, all the way over here, all the way over here. Even maybe no, that's just an overlay on the metal, but like, yeah, I just noticed that. So I am going to put some glue on it and see if it works. I wish I have Jelly Roll, but I don't. So I'm using gasket maker. All I need is just a couple of vents, you know. I do have another transmission. I don't know what it is, but it comes out from 14 Shelby 500. I'm just trying to get as much as I can out of this one. I just need to buy a charge shifter because that one is broke, and get a new clutch. Throw that transmission 6 speed. I mean, yeah, I put too much, but at least I put it where it needs to be. Not like whoever did this before. Alright, so gasket is done. This is how you're supposed to do it. That's it. Put some gasket maker, wait a little bit. Don't do this stuff. This is just me this is just me making it work, not fixing. So Alright, so this is what we're doing. This is the clutch sleeve cylinder fitting. I broke this in here, and I'm 4 days away to go practice on one of those tracks that is offering like a practice day. So I look at this part, and there's nothing online. Excuse me, there's parts online, but there's nothing on stock. So it seems to be like an aftermarket part, only found on eBay, and it's like 4 or 5 days out. So I'm going to try my old friend JB Weld. So what we're going to do, I'm trying to seal this right here with JB Weld. Now this is a really small area, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply glue to make sure like it's sealed, but then I'm gonna install it. I'm going to install it right after going in at the clutch slave cylinder, and I'm going to put, like you can see, if like sideways, the side that is open, I'm going to put it away from the paint. That way it would seal, but it will push it to the other side, and I'm gonna leave it like that. Now, by doing this, I know that the clutch slave is probably gonna be ruined because of the glue. It's gonna be really bad to take it out. So I am concerned that I probably need to buy another slave, but this is a generic one. And I don't have any other way to do this. So I found the fitting, I found the sleeve. They do have the sleeve, the clutch sleeve on stock. They don't have these anywhere. I couldn't find in any part store. Looks like a brake breather, but it's not. I'm going to mix some JB Weld, and hopefully that works. Now I need to clean this area in here, and it's gonna be really bad. And there's a gasket in there. I don't want to mess it up, so I can't put brake cleaner. But there's some oil in here. Oh shit, the pin. There's some oil in here that might be on the way of the glue. I think this is gonna work because of two things. Well, really three. Heat resistant epoxy, 550 Fahrenheit resistance, and 4,730 psi of strength. Como el papá de mi amigo diría, haciendo mierda. Saludito a Ángel, a su papá. Alright, here it is. Now this should really work. And if it doesn't work, anyways, I didn't have any other option. So now keep in mind that this needs to have a pin running through this part, because that's what holds this fitting in there. So I'm gonna put glue. I'm gonna make sure the glue is going in. Put some glue in there. Already clean it super good. Some glue. Make sure it has enough glue, but not too much.
Ya tiene un montón de pega.
And then it goes like this in there. You tap it. Alright, since I'm doing shit, let's just make sure that I buy a whole new part. Oh my goodness, this looks good. Look at that. Oh shit, wait. Alright, this is the result. I guess the glue, I think I put it like this, so the glue kind of like stick down a little bit, but overall it looks like it's gonna hold. It's pretty dry. I'm going ahead and install it and test it, see what it does.